So hello mga Kalaminians. We're here right now in Kasambagan because we're gonna check out Esquina Pasta Bar. So it's just in my barangay, but it's my first time here, so I'm gonna try out their pasta, of course, and their famous Colossal chicken. So let's check out this bar in Kasambagan. I mean pasta bar. Time to eat. So guys, finally I was able to eat at Esquina. It's really fun eating there. We love the pasta. The scampi was just so spicy, good. But of course the colossal chicken is just freaking big. Really big, really big. I mean, it makes it a filling meal as a sandwich or with rice. Really, yeah, filling. That's what I can say. Really big and filling. So try it out. Colossal, the Colossal chicken and their pasta, definitely highly recommended. So check out Esquina Pasta Bar. It's in Kasambagan, guys. So the details when it comes to address and other menu stuff will be in the description. So check it out, guys, and I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in my future food adventures. And by the way, guys, if you have any suggestions for places to eat, feel free, guys, because I'll go there. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you on our next adventures. Bye bye.